Okay, the male is attained the maturity as in 13 to 14 years, and the female it attains certain age 11 to 13 years. Female it is attained the maturity as in previously. This age is known as the age of puberty. Okay, it is you are studied from that in the last year. Yes, puberty. During sexual maturity, hormonal changes take place. Okay, so what happened? Adigamakko emotion, everything it has happened due to that in a not able to control the hormones, that is in emotions. Sorry, not able to control the emotions. This is all it is. It is mainly it is due to that in a hormonal changes in males and females. And the second is sexual character or developed under the influence of these hormones only. Okay, so first one it is in a male reproductive system. Male reproductive system consists of a testis. So testis is a primary sex organ. Why it is primary sex organ means in male onwards it is developed that in a organ testis. It is diploid. It is all the cells having here in a diploid number of chromosome. Chromosome உள்ள இதுக்குள்ள நியூக்ளியஸ்குள்ள இருக்க குரோமோசோம் டிப்ளாய்ட் நம்பரில் இருக்கும். ஓகேயா, ஸோ இட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் 13 sperm. Okay, sperm it's a sex cell, we primary sex cell. Okay, so it is we called as a gamete. Testis cell only produce that in a gamete, but its number of chromosome it is having as in a haploid only. Okay, this is a diploid, this is a haploid. For example, here having a cell it is having a 46 chromosome, means here having in a cell it is having a 23 chromosome only. Okay, இங்கே வந்து டபுளாக இருக்கும், இங்கே வந்து ஹாப்ளாய்டாக இருக்கும். ஓகேம்மா. So testis, primary sex organs. Scrotum is nothing but in a bag like structure. This is a testis, bag like structure only we called as a scrotum. And vas deferens, urethra. Vas deferens it is a tube like structure, and urethra opening. Penis it is in a organ for that in a urethra present. Next one, accessory glands. Okay, so this is all included in the male reproductive system. Testis, a pair of testis lies outside the abdominal cavity of the male, that is in a scrotum. The testis are the male gonads which produce the male gamete sperms and the male sex hormones. Testosterone, underline the word testosterone, because hormone is a main important for that male character or develop ஆகிறதுக்கு main இந்த testosterone தான். Along the inner side of the each testis lies the mass of the coiled tubes called epidermis. Okay, testis both sides is having as so much a coiled structure. Okay, this is we called as an epidermis. The Sertoli cells of the testis produce that in a nourishment to the developing a sperm. Okay, so it is due that in a nutrition for that in a sperm. Okay, because it is an active cell, it is a moving cell, so it gives that in a nourishment. The next one is a scrotum. Scrotum I already mentioned, it is a pouch like structure in a outside of that in our body, and right and left scrotal sacs by the muscular partition. Muscular வந்து இது right left and two divide பண்ணும். The two testes lies in the respective scrotal sacs. It also contains the many nerves and blood vessels. The scrotum act as the thermoregulatory organ. Why it is means because testis, if it is in a 1 to 3 lower temperature only is sperm able to live. Okay, but this condition, our body condition having means the sperm it will be dead. So that condition only it maintain that in a outside in our body, that is in a thermoregulatory organ. Okay, so it is a 2 mark also, lower that in a normal body temperature. Next one, vas deferens. Vas deferens is nothing in a straight tube only, it is in a semivesicles. Okay, so vesicles, you see is that this is a small tube only. Okay, so it's a tube only. Seminal vesicles it is having that in sperm stored in a seminal plasma, that is in a seminal vessels, which is rich in a fructose calcium enzyme. So அந்த பிளேஸில் வந்து ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்க பிளேஸில் அந்த செல்ஸ் வந்து மூவபிள் செல்ஸ் இது ஸ்பெர்முங்கிறது. ஸோ அதனால் டெட் ஆகாமல் இருக்கங்காண்டி இட் ஹேவிங் தட் இன் நியூட்ரிஷன் ஹியர், அண்ட் fructose is a source of energy of the sperm. The vas deferens along with in a seminal vesicle vesicles, opens into the ejaculatory which expel the sperm, and it is secreted from that seminal vesicle into the urethra. Okay, urethra it is enter ஆகும். Next one பார்த்தோம்னா urethra is the opening of the urinary system, that is an excretory system. It contains inside their penis and convey the sperms from the vas deferens, which passes through the urethral opening. The accessory glands associated with the male reproductive organ and consist of a seminal vesicle, prostate gland. What are the glands it is having means? Okay, so seminal vesicles and prostate gland and corpus gland. Okay, the secretion of these glands form the seminal fluid and mixes with the sperm to the semen. Okay, so sperm it's come along within a semen only. This fluid provides the nutrition and helps in the transport of the sperm ku help பண்ணும். Sperm is the smallest cell in a male body. Male produces more than 500 billions of sperm cells in a lifetime. The process of formation of sperm is known as the spermatogenesis. Underline that because it is what's a process, இது எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது அப்படிங்கிறது கேட்க சான்சஸ் இருக்குது. ஸ்பெர்மட்டோஜெனிசிஸ்னா ஃபார்மேஷன். ஸ்பெர்ம் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற production only we called as spermatogenesis. It is able to ask in a one word.